This assessment asks us which justification is more appropriate when we say that acid chlorides react more readily with water than an amide does. The difference between the two is the chlorine versus the nitrogen. Chlorine is an electron withdrawing group through induction, whereas nitrogen is an electron donating group through resonance. The electron withdrawing group of the chloride makes the carbonyl carbon of the acid chloride more electrophilic. The electron donating ability of nitrogen makes the carbonyl carbon of an amide less electrophilic. Given that the first step of this mechanism is rate determining, this is more important of a justification, the fact that the carbonyl carbon is more electrophilic. That is a better justification for this saying than the fact that chlorine is a better leaving group, which is also true. But the better rationalization for this particular instance is the rate determining step, the first step, telling us that the carbonyl carbon is more electrophilic due to the electron withdrawing chlorine atom.